I learned a potato party trick. So you find this center balance point, stack them up, and don't embarrass me. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Does a Cooking vlog. Today we're making the most delicious breakfast tacos you'll ever eat. You'll need eggs, potatoes, cheese, bacon, pico, and just shove all that stuff into a Mexican envelope. First, shed some taters into hash brownies, and cook these first. They take the longest. So I recently acquired this baby cast iron pan. It's a really boring story, so I'm not going to get into it. One night I was out with my coworkers, and I had a few drinky winkies at the Puppy Wubby. I ordered a slider, and they served it in Wait, actually, I didn't order the slider. Hunter did. And he's actually Hunter without the E because his parents are Silicon Valley millennials, and he's actually 12. Anyway, they served the slider in this tiny cast iron pan, which I wanted to borrow, but borrow permanently. Then Cheryl from HR kept saying, "No, you better not, Brian." And I was like, "You can't tell me what to do. This isn't a company event. It's 2018 and I'll do what I want. Hashtag me do me movement." Put a little oil in the pan, and by little I actually literally mean little. Coat the bottom and the edges. Then add your shredded taters, give it some salt and pepper, and let it brown, stirring occasionally. Next, we need to prep some veggies because we're gonna make a pico de gallo. So here I have a tomato, jalapeno, onion, cilantro, and a lime. Dice them into pieces with a meat hammer. If you're thinking, that looks like a tasty meat hammer, then click in the top right corner and check out my braised meat hammer recipe. Then shovel all that crap into a bowl and squeeze in your lime juice. Now you want to mix it together into a salsa. Next, we need to pan fry some bacon. Pan frying bacon is one of the most frustrating things on earth. I will come to your house and dance on the coffee table in my underwear for whoever can build a bacon flipper presser thing that flattens it when it curls up. And I know you're thinking, I can just bake it in the oven and it won't curl. Well, I'm stubborn and don't want that, okay? Hashtag me do me. Okay, I've removed the bacon and now I'm gonna use this baby spoon to pour some bacon fat into our baby cast iron potatoes.
Oh, the spoon's hot.
Now we need to cook our scrambled eggs. If you want to know how to cook perfect scrambled eggs, you should check out my other breakfast video in the upper right hand corner. Season them with some salt and pepper and put those to the side. Next, heat up your tortilla on the pan. I prefer flour because it's softer and squishier. Now we need to make crunchy cheese pies. I like Monterey Jack, but you can use whatever you want. Make sure you're using a non-stick pan or else the cheese will stick to your pan. If you don't have a non-stick pan, then buy breakfast tacos at Chipotle. Once you see the ends get all crispy, then it's safe to flip it. Use your heated tortilla and press it to the cheese. Then quickly flip. Okay, so I'm not perfect, but would you rather have some professional chef who makes beautiful, flawless food with no mistakes? Or would you rather have a guy whose only professional kitchen job was working on Auntie Anne's pretzels? And now here I am showing you how to make a crunchy cheese pie.
Boom, baby.
Now to put it all together. Start with the tortilla, egg layer, some bacon, little potato, a bunch of that pico de gallo, and there you have it. Guys, this taco is so good. The savory from the meat, egg, and potatoes mixed with a crunchy cheese pie, then balanced out with a refreshing pico. It's the perfect way to start the day. Let me try this other one. Yep. Tastes the same as the first one. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look us up. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Does a Cooking. Guys, I'm exhausted. I cannot think of an outro right now. It's really not. I don't want to tackle about it. Okay, I'm only borrowing the cast iron pan for an extended period of time. I plan on returning it back with interest.